Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the video widget. Begin by logging into your site, make sure you're in editing mode, and then go over to the widget section on the left bar. Type in video, and then drag and drop the video widget onto a row or page where you wish to position it. You will see that it will default to opening to our Content tab, where we have the option to insert a YouTube, Vimeo, or Daily Motion URL or link. Here we have a video in YouTube, and to get the link that you're looking for, you would click on Share beneath the video, and the first option is the link. We're going to go ahead and copy that link, and then paste it into that field. You can see immediately the video has now pulled into the widget. On the design side, there aren't too many options. You have full width, as well as controlling the specific pixels. You have the option to animate it, and then of course the option to adjust the spacing. Clicking the gear will also let you centrally align it, right justified, or left justified. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.